Let's talk about the plan for today. Hi, Tony DeWitt here. I'm a Missouri appellate attorney, retired, and I bring you a fresh perspective on the law without offering any legal advice. So pull up a chair. This is what we're discussing today. Well, I hope you all had a wonderful Easter for those of you who celebrate Easter. My wife and I had a nice weekend at home, which was kind of nice. It used to be that when Easter and other big holidays came around, we gathered the family and everybody went to the beach and had some fun. But as the grandkids have gotten older, that has happened less and less. And so we just had a nice day at home. It was a beautiful weather outside. Didn't really go anywhere. We just, uh, I guess we went over to the grandchildren's house and spent some time over there giving them their Easter baskets, but that was it. In addition to that, I sent text messages to my kids, wished them all a happy Easter. My son tried to call me back, and I guess I missed the call. He left voicemail, and he's doing well. So why do I tell you all this? I tell you this because, in addition to trusting me with some legal analysis, I thought it might be nice to know that I don't just sit here in front of this computer 24/7 looking for things to talk about on the law. If I did, I'd be absolutely guano crazy. And I'm pretty sure I'm close to that anyway. But at any rate, I thought maybe you would appreciate, knowing just a little bit about how we spent the weekend. Normally on holidays, I do the cooking. We had a spiral sliced ham. They have a purple wrapped ham at Walmart that is really, really good. And it comes with a brown sugar glaze. We don't use the glaze, we just bake the ham, and it's marvelous. And I made some potato salad using my mom's recipe. You'll find the recipe down below. And I made fluff, which is something my wife just is mad about. She loves that stuff, which involves cream cheese, Cool Whip, fruit, and little fruity marshmallows. I'll put the recipe for that down below too. In addition to that, I also made some deviled eggs, and my wife enjoyed those. I use a little different recipe for the deviled eggs that I make for myself because I like Wickles relish, but I make hers sort of uh, less spicy by using just plain old sweet pickles in there. But she seemed to enjoy it, which is what really counts. So that's what we did. We had a nice time. We just kind of sat around. Ginger read her book. I read my book. It was just a really delightful, pleasant day. And I didn't think about Lori Daybell or Linda Sturmer or any of these other folks even once, and that too was pretty nice. Today, I'm waiting for the closing arguments in the Lori Daybell case, and I think that will be interesting. Once those arguments are done, I would anticipate that I would put out a video and talk a little bit about what I think. But here is my problem. I honestly think, given the strength of the evidence and the awful way that she has represented herself, and I mean, it's almost criminal negligence the way she's acted as her own attorney. But given what she has done and the way it's come in court, I think that it's probably going to take longer to give the jury instructions than it is for the jury to reach a verdict. So please don't be upset with me if my video comes out after the verdict is already in. I will be working really hard to get you a good video that discusses all of the finer points of these arguments. That said, that's my plan for today. The rest of the week, I'll be working on other things. If you have any thoughts about what that should be, I've received several. Please let me know. That's what I have for you today. I hope you found it helpful, interesting, or maybe both. If there's a subject you'd like me to discuss, please feel free to send me an email at the address above. If you like what we do, please feel free to subscribe and come on back to the beach tomorrow. I release videos every weekday, weather and work permitting. If you have the opportunity today, do a kindness for your fellow man. It makes the world a better place, one kind act at a time. And now, YouTube has some suggestions for other videos of mine that you might like.